birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. May the good Lord bless me, may the good Lord bless me, may the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless me. Yeah, I wish myself long life, prosperity, good thing, because I deserve the best, because I am the best. Okay, Chidera, God has written great things for me. Okay, yeah, so guys, today is my birthday and I don't know, I am just here. I'm just I don't even know how today is going to be, but definitely today is going to be a good day. Today is already a good day. So yeah, but basically I don't know how today is going to go. So I'm just here, I'm just in school, I'm not going out. Like, I'm not really I don't know, maybe birthday celebration kind of person. But yeah, I'm just here enjoying myself, enjoying my presence, enjoying my, enjoying just being me and all that beautiful things. Okay, so yeah, happy birthday to me. You guys should wish me well in the comment section, say your prayers for me. And yeah, so today I want to vlog, but I don't really know what I'm going to vlog about. Today is basically there, I'm not going anywhere, I'm doing nothing. What am I going to be vlogging about? So this is just me coming on here to for you guys to share this day, celebrate with me, the presents, everything, just doing everything with you guys. So, and I want this vlog actually to be a more like a silent kind of vlog, just telling you guys how I feel about today, how my day is going to be, how I feel about birthdays in general and or whatnot, and just doing things in my house. I think I might go to school anyways to charge up my gadgets, my phone and power bank. So that is just it. I just hope this vlog goes well. I hope you enjoy the music. I hope I find best songs that will suit this silent vlog I want to do, and I hope I get the angles and all that. Okay, so that is basically how my day is going to go. I don't know. I just hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy this vlog, and as I do my things, find my way around the house. So guys, I'm ready now, and yeah, I'm going to school. Okay, so this is just my outfit with this handbag. Okay,
don't ever change for anything. nobody. Don't ever trade your soul. Don't even listen to him. He don't know nothing at all. Try not to get too involved, but really it's breaking my heart. How you keep changing for him? Never forget who you are. You butterfly, you're a butterfly. Butterfly, wings spread, just let it fly. Butterfly, butterfly. What is life without brightness? Be a light. You were never quiet, never so shy. Now you're so serious all of the time. Show me that smile, it's not too late to reinvent yourself. Ooh. Bust out your cocoon, spray on your perfume, and go enjoy your new point of view. There's no way you can lose, the world works for you. Now it's your